Hello all, welcome to chapter 22 from the book of Numbers. In the beginning of this chapter, we see the Israelites moved and camped in the plains of Moab. Balak, the king of Moab, had seen what the Israelites had done to the Amorites and was exceedingly afraid of them. We then see Balak sent elders of Moab and Midian with money to Balaam and asked Balaam to curse the Israelites so that they could be defeated. Balaam asked the messengers to lodge for the night and waits on the Lord for instructions. God informs Balaam to refuse the offer. Balak therefore sends numerous and more highly ranked people to convince Balaam and offered greater riches to him. Balaam asks the messengers to lodge for the night and seeks God's will again. Here we see Balaam has done something that was not appropriate. He has been given clear instructions to refuse the offer. However, looking at the great riches that were offered to him, he seeks for God's counsel again. And God is angry with him. Coming back to this chapter, we then see God informed Balaam to go to Balak. However, Balaam was to speak only what God wants him to speak. The next day, Balaam saddled his donkey and was on his way. God, however, was angry with him, and the angel of the Lord with his sword stood on the road to oppose him. Balaam's donkey saw the angel and ran into the fields. Balaam struck the donkey and takes her back to the road. Now they are in a narrow path with walls on both sides, and the donkey sees the angel of the Lord. The donkey then pushed herself on the wall and crushed Balaam's foot. Balaam struck the donkey again and brought her back on the road. This time they were at a place where they could not turn right or left, and the angel of the Lord was again in front. So the donkey just lay down, frustrating Balaam, and Balaam struck the donkey again. We then see the Lord made the donkey to speak to Balaam, and the donkey asked Balaam as to why he struck her 3 times. Balaam says that the donkey had made him look like a fool, and he would have struck her with a sword if he had one. The donkey asks Balaam if she had ever done this to him before in all her years of service. Balaam responds and says no. At this point, God opens Balaam's eyes, and he saw the angel of the Lord with his drawn sword. The angel of the Lord asks him why he struck the donkey thrice. God explains if the donkey would not have changed her directions, God would have struck Balaam. Balaam understood his mistake and seeks permission to go back. However, God says Balaam to meet Balak and say only the things that God will ask him to speak. Towards the end of this chapter, we see Balak comes and receives Balaam. The next day, Balak takes Balaam to the high places of Baal. Baal, as we know, is the pagan god. From the high place, they see the outskirts of the Israelite camp. This is how the chapter ends. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Until next time, may God bless us all. Bye bye.